Are you looking for a simple way to transfer your Outlook PST files to Gmail? Welcome to WholeClear PST to Gmail Converter. Makes it quick, secure, and effortless. Key features of WholeClear PST to Gmail Converter. Intuitive interface, clean, user-friendly design for effortless operation. Complete data migration. Moves emails, attachments, contacts, calendars, and more without hassle. Folder structure preservation. Keeps your original mailbox hierarchy intact. Accurate and reliable export. Ensures zero data loss throughout the migration process. How it works, step by step. Step 1. Launch the software. Open WholeClear PST to Gmail Converter on your Windows system. Step 2. Select PST file. Choose PST format as your mail source. Step 3. Upload data. Import PST files using file or folder mode. Step 4. Choose destination. Pick Export to Gmail account and proceed. Step 5. Enter Gmail credentials. Log into the Gmail account where you want your Outlook data transferred. Step 6. Select target folder. Either create a new folder or select an existing Gmail folder. Step 7. Start migration. Click Upload now to begin seamless conversion. With WholeClear PST to Gmail Converter, moving your Outlook data to Gmail is quick, secure, and 100% accurate. For more query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.